Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the service cover, battery, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, and base enclosure. Removal. Remove the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully lift the USB board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove the USB board ribbon cable from under the heatsink. Place the USB board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the USB board from the static dissipative bag. Carefully guide the USB board ribbon cable under the heatsink and place the USB board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the system board. And press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover.